Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing or a Little Bit of Something, and today's video is all about new items at Dollar Tree for the month of August. I can't believe I just said August. Like, where is the time going? This year is just flying by. You guys, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. And hello to all the new subscribers. Oh, and you guys, we are almost to 500 subbies. So you guys, I think once we get to 500, maybe we should name the subbies. I don't know what names that might be, but maybe we should do that. I don't know. Once we get closer to that number, we'll talk about that, you guys. Maybe I'll do a poll or something like that. But yes, hello to all the new subscribers. Also, make sure you thumbs up the video. It allows more people to see the video. The first new items I want to talk about is, of course, back to school items because they are filling the shelves at Dollar Tree. They have folders, they have notebooks, lots of notebooks, and I'm a notebooks girl, so I wanted to grab a few of these items for myself, and I actually might go back and do that because I saw some that were really neat, very cute, very colorful, nice sayings, stuff like that. So I may just have to go back, you guys, and get a few of these notebooks for myself. They also had some magnetic locker bins as well. They've had these before, but I think the ones they have this year are a little different. They may be the same. I'm not 100% sure, but I thought those are a neat idea and great for organization. They also had this marbled pencil case, double pencil case, and the colors they had there were pink and purple. And I thought it was really neat that it's a double pencil case. So you can keep one side with your pencils, the other side with your pens, or with your color pencils or some sort of markers. This is really, really neat and a great way to pack a lot for a good price. They have desk organization items. These are great for teachers and teachers' assistants. They're even good for kids when they come home if they have a designated place to do their homework. It's just a great way to organize papers and different assignments and stuff like that. They had a lot of desk organization items. Some of these are a carryover from last year, but they do have a few new items and new colors. They had a lot of notepads with cute sayings on them. Some of them were grocery lists, which I thought was really cute. I don't think I would use mine just for grocery lists. I'm just being honest with you. If I need to make a list, I'm grabbing a notepad, and I don't care if it says it's for groceries. I'm making a list. They also had a lot of bags, reusable bags there with a lot of different sayings on them that were really, really cute. They had one that said be positive and another one that says squeeze the day. I thought those were so adorable and cute. And they had a lot of different sayings on them just about positivity and spreading positive vibes. But yeah, reusable bags are great, not just for groceries. You can use them for other things as well for your kids. Kids are doing a lot of different activities around this time. They have football and they have soccer, and basketball will be coming up in a few months as well. So a lot of reasons to be outside sweating away, and they have a lot of water bottles or juice bottles that you can reuse. They had some that had the snack cup on the bottom. I'm not 100% sure that these are new. They may be, but they may not be. Maybe they're different colors. They also had some bottles that had a handle on them, which were really cute. I really liked the dark blue one or the navy blue one. I thought that was really cute. I need to find one in my size. And they have a lot of different bottles out there that are specifically made just for kids. I did not know that Dollar Tree carried Shasta, but they carry Shasta. You can get a 4-pack of the regular size cans of Shasta. Shasta is like the OG if you're going on a picnic or you're having a barbecue and you need to feed a lot of people type of situation, you get the Shasta. Okay, so I'm like, wow, I did not know that Dollar Tree carried Shasta. But yeah, you can get a 4-pack. All I saw at this Dollar Tree was cola and orange. So I guess it just depends on the Dollar Tree you're at as to which flavor that they have. Popping over to the cleaning section, they have these Arm & Hammer foaming garbage disposal bags, cleaner bags, and it says you can get 4 uses out of it. And this is in the lemon scent or citrus scent. And I thought this was great because I use Arm & Hammer baking soda all the time. And that's pretty much what this is. It's just baking soda with a little bit of lemon scent. So you don't actually have to buy this. You can just use regular baking soda that you have. But I just wanted to go ahead and try it because it was there. And I'm a big Arm & Hammer baking soda girl. So yeah, this I have not tried yet, but I'm sure it's gonna work like any other baking soda that I have poured down my garbage disposal. Stinky Bowl Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Ooh, that's a tongue twister for me. They had this at the Dollar Tree in the cleaning section on an end cap, and this is a lavender and vanilla scent, I believe. It says it's new. I don't know how new this is. I don't think it's super new because I think I've seen it in the past weeks at Dollar Tree. So I'm not sure it's super new, but I thought that this was nice to show. I thought it was a cute design. So hey, why not show it? If it's new to you, then that's great, y'all. I hope you appreciate me telling you about it. These mosquito repelling coils by Pick. I guess that's is it Pick? I don't know the brand name. Yeah, these mosquito repelling coils, they're supposed to last about 3 hours, and there are 4 of them in here. I did not purchase this just because when I thought about it, I was like, I'm not gonna be sitting outside for 3 hours straight, not in this heat. So I decided not to purchase them. If you have and you've tried them, let me know if they worked for you. But yeah, we have mosquitoes pretty bad in our backyard, so I'm not sitting out there for 3 hours to see if a mosquito repellent is going to work. But if you tried it, like I said, let us know in the comments. A 2-in-1 flashlight. This is kind of in the automotive section, I guess. Automotive electronics section. But yeah, this is a 2-in-1 flashlight. And I haven't used it yet. But here's what it looks like. It's a pretty good size. So yeah, you're supposed to be able to use this end and also this end, and the batteries go in here, and it requires 3 AAA batteries. So pretty simple. It's kind of grooved, so that's great for gripping it. Like I said, I haven't used it yet, but you never know when your power is going to go out. Like a month ago, we actually had a power outage that lasted like a week. Y'all, it was a whole situation. So having a flashlight is always great. So the brand Be Pure has been blowing up the aisles at Dollar Tree lately. They have some lotions there that are new to me. They had one that was hyaluronic acid. They also had one that was vitamin C, and they had one that was collagen. Now these are lotions. I think for the most part, you can put these on your face. You can possibly also put them anywhere else on your body. But I think they're mainly for the face. They were 8-ounce bottles, so that's a good size for $1.25. Also from Be Pure, they have some things for the men, for the beards. They had a razor bump oil of some sort. To help aftershave wise, to kind of prevent razor bumps. They also had like a nick cream, so if you happen to nick yourself shaving, they had some type of spot treatment that you can put on. And finally, I want to mention something from the beauty section, because I always venture to the beauty section at Dollar Tree, and they have these cute little mini finger makeup sponges, and these are great for like under the eyes or above the lip, places like that, mainly around the eyes and on top of the eyes, you know, stuff like that. I don't know why I did this, but you know what I mean. I have a few of these that are actually a little bigger that I bought elsewhere. I think I got them either on Temu or through Amazon, but I wish I would have waited, because these are super cute, and you get a 4-pack for $1.25. Oh, and they are latex free. Do you guys see that? That's a plus for me. That is my what's new at Dollar Tree in August video, you guys. Make sure you thumbs up the video and spread the love. And like I said, if you are not a subscriber, it does not cost a thing. Go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. I'll talk to you guys next time. Oh, and if you haven't watched my dorm essentials videos for Dollar Tree, for Walmart, for Target, go ahead and watch those. I would appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.